Hi guys, I'm Ollie from Van Life Conversions, and in this video I'll be taking you on a tour of our latest conversion, George's Adventurer. I'll talk you through each of the appliances and some of the features that have turned this van into a home on wheels. The base van is a Citroen Relay L3H3. It has been designed to accommodate 2 people and 2 dogs as they head off on an adventure around the UK and Europe. We've installed a bed across the width of the van and created a floated effect using some metal brackets. We've also recessed the walls both at the head and the foot so that the bed can be slightly longer than in your average conversion. Underneath the bed is the area for the 2 dogs. It's a large garage space for storage and also their dog beds. The kitchen unit houses some high-tech appliances that you would expect to find in a domestic house. It's got a walnut butcher block worktop surface that has an extendable area if you need to do additional food prep, and there's also another flip-up surface on the outside if you want to take your dining experience into nature. The cooker is a Thetford triplex. This houses a 3-hob burner on top and an oven and grill underneath. It's a compact all-in-one unit that's really good for your home cooking. We also have a Dometic CRX50, which is a 50-litre fridge that runs off your 12-volt batteries. This central pillar here is the control centre for the van. It houses switches and gauges so that you can monitor your electricity usage, your water level gauges and your gas levels so that you know when you need to fill up. The electrical system in this van is supplied by 2 100 amp hour AGM batteries and a 360 watt solar panel on the roof. We have also installed a 3000 watt inverter which is uprated from a standard conversion because it can provide mains electrics for the customers to blow dry their dogs after a wet walk. One of my favourite aspects of this van conversion, and one that I think is the most unique, is the walk-in shower area, which features a copper archway and mosaic tiling. This all ties together nicely with the general feel inside the van. There's plenty of storage options in this van, starting with the overhead cupboards and additional storage that is hidden in the backrest of the bench seat, and plenty of drawers that slide out from hidden spaces. Above the bed is a large skylight which features both a blackout blind and a mosquito net. There's also another skylight in the shower which can be opened for ventilation and allows light to enter into the van. It has a large sink which is countersunk underneath the worktop. We've installed 4 reading lights into George's Adventurer. These are powered by the 12-volt batteries and feature a touch-sensitive dimmable light switch with a USB charger for your phones and other electric stuff. The customer is extremely passionate about her 2 dogs, and therefore we've designed certain features of the vans to suit her needs. One of these is an external shower point where she can wash the dogs off after a muddy walk. We have added copper handles to the cupboards and trim to the shelves to give a homey feel. We have used the walnut worktop to create a bespoke windowsill and finish off the seating area nicely. We hope you enjoyed this van tour of George's Adventurer. If you enjoyed this video, then follow us on Instagram at VanLifeConversionsUK, where we'll post daily updates of our next conversion. We look forward to seeing you there. If you're interested in having your own conversion, visit www.vanlifeconversions.co.uk. If you're starting your own van build, then check out our YouTube channel for some van conversion tips and a full build series coming soon. Thank you for the ongoing support. We hope to hear from you soon.